Hi guys, welcome to the Active channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make a YouTube banner. So in this case, open Canva first and log into your Canva account. Just log in. If you don't have any Canva yet, just click on Continue with Google, and you will have your Canva account like here. Okay, now what you're gonna do is click on Create a Design and right here YouTube banner, and you'll find here YouTube banner option. The first, click on the first one, then you can make your YouTube banner here. Any banner you can choose except these pro versions. These are for only for paid subscribers. So you can choose your banners, any banners without this crown like this, and you can use this, or you can edit this, you can rewrite this, anything you can do this. I'm going to show you from here. Or if you want to choose any banner like here, YouTube banner, then you'll find many templates. Just choose one like this for movie channel. And okay, if you want, you can't use this. I'm showing you another. Refuse customs, this one, Rufus strikes and wins. If you like this banner, and if you want to rewrite this, you can double click and cut this, and you can write anything here, anything you can add here. Okay, if you don't like this icon or the logo, you can change it, just backspace and it will be removed. Okay, wait. Okay, you can see that it has removed now. Now what I'm going to do this, if you want to add anything here, just go elements and choose your logo here. What kind of logo you want to add here? Like spaceship. You can add this spaceship or rockets logo here. Okay, then if you want to own this thing, what you're gonna do is just go open. You'll find here this option, click on this, and you can download this from here. Okay, so this is how you can make a YouTube banner, guys. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.